oh, you're just a selfish bugger. You never get enough. Your mother said that to you sometimes, didn't she? Is there no end to what you want? Are you never satisfied? As if the answer should be yes. And the answer should not be yes. Tell that to your mother as soon as you see her. No, mother, I am not satisfied. I will never be in a place where I will say, there, no more wanting for me. And you can back that up if you want to by saying to her, the entire universe is established to keep those of us out here on the leading edge still reaching for more. That's what puts the eternalness in eternity. In other words, this contrasting environment in which you are focused will always give birth to another new desire. And what we wish for you is that you'll stop freaking out in the interim. That in that crack between having launched a desire and having closed the vibrational gap enough that it can manifest, that in that crack you are enjoying the journey, that you are understanding that it is molding the clay.